When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes with me, Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare instant wheat flour dosa. We can prepare this dosa within 10 minutes. Same time, it tastes delicious. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. In next episode, I am going to prepare Achari Lauki Chana Dal curry. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shonag Recipes and click on the bell icon.